What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today, after a very long stint of not roller skating at all because I broke my leg, I'm going to try skating for the first time since I broke my leg, right here, right now. You saw it here first, folks. Ah! Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, general roller skating lifestyle videos. I hope that you love it here. If you are a roller skater or you want to try and be a roller skater, you should definitely click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post. I post new videos every Tuesday and I go live every Sunday. I feel scared, but I also feel excited. I feel nervous that I'm not going to be able to skate, but I also secretly in the back of my mind think that I totally will be able to skate. I know it's going to feel weird. I know this video probably isn't going to be like the most impressive tricks, but I'm still super excited to try. I have put my skates on once and not actually done anything in them up until this point. Sorry it's a little bit loud. We are in a tennis court and there's a lot going on right now. So I picked a tennis court because it is the smoothest area close to my house. So that is where I've decided I feel confident enough to try skating again. So without further ado, and I promise I'm not procrastinating anymore, let's skate. Oh my god, I suck at skating right now.
Okay, stop.
Why is this so hard? I feel really scared right now. I don't feel like I feel okay. Like I'm surprised at what I'm able to do, but my foot already feels like it's on fire. And it's not even like the place that my foot is like my leg was broken, like that's not what's on fire. It's like the rest of my foot that still isn't fully recovered and like able to do everything that's freaking me out.
What things were easier to do rather than others?
So it was way easier to keep all of my wheels on the ground and way more difficult to lift any wheels off of the ground. So doing bubbles was easier than striding, and doing a side stance was easier than like picking up my feet to turn around into a transition. I'm really scared of doing toe stop stuff. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna try again. Yeah.
Look at her going fast.
Ow, oh, don't do crossover. Don't do crossover. Maybe I can do crossover this way. No, I didn't. Everything hurts. Everything hurts. Oh, my ankle's so weak. If I transition this way, I'm going this way. If I transition the other way, oh god. And then if I turn around, toe stop, this. this toe stop down yet. I'm so scared. I think it's just a mental thing.
Ooh, she got a
It's like when your foot's on the ground.
Is it the pressure of it hitting the ground?
It is, yeah. I don't know. It's the unsureness of the foot being there. And also the pressure that it takes to push. Like when I go like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay.
Start. Nice.
Okay, so I just finished having my skates on and it was scary. It was really, really, really scary. And I had like intense nerves the whole time to the point where I feel like I'm still kind of like on the edge of trying not to cry. But I'm still like incredibly proud of myself and I'm so glad that I put on my skates today and I tried some things and I did it. I'm definitely gonna keep working at it and I know it's just gonna get better and better, but whoo, wow. So I stopped after a little bit of time and trying to listen to my body as much as I can, and that's literally the best advice I could possibly give is just listen to your body. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More skate content coming to you soon. If you want to support me, you can shop at my Etsy, Cheers to the Queers. I have a bunch of earrings and shirts and sweatshirts and stickers and patches and all sorts of fun stuff there. Or you can become a Patreon where I make vlogs and fun stuff every week. And if you're injured and you're out there, we got this. We're in this together. Most importantly, so loud. And most importantly, cheers to the queers! Skating! Me on skates after over 8 weeks. No wait, after 10 weeks of not skating. Ah!